So, okay, so let's talk a little bit about what you guys have coming up, because that's really what I wanted to support you guys on today. Who wants to introduce what's coming up and how you guys got involved in it?
Well, I'm like super terrified. I just kind of throw myself out there. I mean, we got the text and invitation to come down and interview in Nashville and talk to, I guess it was the owner and
CEO.
The CEO, yeah, of the company. He was amazing. 80% they want lifestyle, 20% real estate, and to combine the two, and really just to kind of show off why live in Nashville, what are some of the highlights in Nashville and the culture as well. So I was really excited about it. I'm terrified, just as you could see. I'm like, I don't even know what's happening, but I feel like I just need to throw myself in there and see how it goes. And hopefully there'll be a second show, maybe. Maybe not.